Guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'll be showing you how I make this hairband. Okay, so I have my scissors. This is my scissors that I'll be using to cut. Then I have my brush. I have the hair that I want to use, that is Brazilian wool. You can get it in a local beauty shop. So this is the, when you lose it, this is how the hair looks like inside. It's just rope. Okay, so I'll be tying it like this to get the amount of what I want. Okay, so this is it. You have to roll it like that, down from your down to up. You roll it, you continue rolling it like that. You continue rolling it. Okay, so this is the amount I'll be using. So this, I have to cut it now, to cut it into two now. That's to separate it. Okay, these are the so I have to share it into two now. I'll be sharing it into two. Okay, I'll now cross it now. Okay, yes. So after cross, I have to look for somewhere to hook it so that I can be able to plait it like the way you do your braid. That's how I'll be braiding it now. So I have to braid the wool now. So I will now braid it. You have to hold it very tight. Okay, continue braiding it. Okay, if you know you can braid hair like boss braids, it's the same method. You can braid it like this. Okay, you continue braiding it to the ends. Yes, continue braiding. Okay, you have to hold it very tight. Continue braiding it, the hair. You'll braid it very tight. Okay, I'll continue. I have to braid it to the ends. Okay, so I finished. Continue. So I have to look for another one to tie it now, to secure. I have to avoid it losing, so I have to secure it very well. Okay, so after that I have to secure it. You knot it either 2 times or 3 times, but mine, I did it 3 times. Okay, yeah. So this is how it looks like this. It's very simple. This is how it looks like. Okay, so I have my elastic that I'll be using. I have this one. This one is tiny one. You still have the one that is big, the one that is wider than this one. You can still get it in a local beauty shop. Okay, so I have my thread and my needle that I'll be sewing in to the hair. And look at it. Actually, I burnt the mouth. Okay, so I have to sew it now. Sew it very tight. You continue sewing it. You sew it very tight. Okay, I have difficulty here because okay, I have to continue. I have to lose it. It's entangled there. I have to be very careful. Okay, I've done that now. Okay, yes. Okay, so you still have to sew the other part, the end of it, so you sew it together. The same method. You sew it very well. Okay, though I was in a haste that I did not remember to cut it from the other end. So I have to cut it now. Okay, I have to secure the thread again. Okay, so I will now sew it now. You sew it very tight also, the two parts. Okay, still sewing it very well. Sew it very tight. Yes, so that thing will can come together to give you that headband. Okay, I will continue sewing it. Although I doubled the elastic to two. Continue sewing it. Okay, this is the end part of it. Okay, so this is it. This is the hair. Okay, wow, look at the hair, look at the bands. You can use to rock any type of your hair choice. Thank you for watching.